The coolest thing is everything with Chance.
Hi, this is Cassie Plus 100, and this is gonna be the Cool Chance Show. Yippee! The coolest thing is everything with Chance. And now for our first segment, we are gonna do milk run time with Chance. Yeah! Now, my mommy is gonna put all the milk on this special spot. Alright? Here we go! Now, on the Cool Chance Show, I'm gonna hide these variety milk bones. Ooh, 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 ooh. Here we go. Here's the first milk bone. Chance. Sit. Stay. Now I'm gonna hide it. Hey! Stay. Hey! Lay down. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Now we're going to hide this milk bone. It's in plain sight. Third milk bone. It's in plain sight again. We can't keep them that hard. Fourth milk bone. It has to be in plain sight. Fifth milk bone. And now, the sixth milk bone. Okay, Chance, go and find them. Go and find them. Go and find it. Where is it? Hey, go get it. Good boy. Where's the second one? Where's the second one? Is it right here? Is it right here? Come on. Is it right here? I'll help you out. Now is it right here? Is it right here? Good boy! Where's the third milk bone? Where is it? Right here? Good boy! Chance, is the fourth one right here? Is the fourth one right here? He made a little mess. Now try to find the fifth and sixth one. Just right here. What about right here? What about right here? I found all the milk bones! Yay! Now on the Cool Chance Show, we are gonna do outside side with Chance. Now we're outside. My camera crew is gonna follow me around. What you gonna do, Chance? What you gonna do? I'll watch you from over here. What you doing, buddy? That's enough of that. It's time with Chance. And that's all the time we have for today.
The coolest thing is everything with Chance.